Meaning of exclusiveness.
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 Exclusiveness. Exclusiveness refers to the quality or state of being restricted or limited to a particular individual or group, and excluding others from access or participation. It implies that certain opportunities, resources, or privileges are only available to a select few, creating a sense of hierarchy or superiority. This can lead to feelings of exclusion, inequality, and resentment among those who are left out. Exclusiveness may also create a sense of elitism and reinforce stereotypes and prejudices. Overall, exclusiveness can have negative consequences by perpetuating social exclusion and reducing opportunities for diversity and inclusion.